Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews. Today, we're diving into a game-changer for pet grooming and home cleaning enthusiasts alike. Meet the oneisall dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit. A revolutionary device designed to make pet grooming a breeze while keeping your home clean. I'm your name, and let's explore why this is possibly the best pet groom vacuum available in the market right now. First off, what sets this apart? It's not just a vacuum, it's a complete grooming kit in one package. With its integrated pet clippers, nail grinder, and a powerful vacuum suction system. This device is engineered to tackle shedding and grooming with unmatched efficiency. Whether you have a curious cat or a lively lab, this kit promises to handle it all. Imagine grooming your pet without the usual mess. The oneisall vacuum collects up to 99% of pet hair directly into its spacious 1.5-liter dust cup. This means no more scattered fur on your floors or furniture, just a tidy home and a happy pet. Plus, the noise levels are kept low at just 60 decibels, ensuring a stress-free grooming session for your furry friends. What are users saying? The feedback speaks volumes. From its easy-to-clean design to the maneuverability and suction power, customers rave about how it simplifies their grooming routines. Whether you're a seasoned groomer or a first-time pet owner, the oneisall kit is designed for ease of use and efficiency, making it a must-have in every pet-loving household. Let's talk specifics. This kit includes 7 essential grooming tools, from a grooming brush and de-shedding tool to electric clippers and a dog paw trimmer. Each tool is meticulously crafted for optimal performance, ensuring your pet gets the best grooming experience possible. It's all about quality and convenience packed into one. In conclusion, the oneisall dog hair vacuum and dog grooming kit isn't just a tool, it's a game-changer for pet care and household cleanliness. With its innovative design, powerful performance, and thoughtful features, it stands out as a top choice for pet owners everywhere. If you're ready to upgrade your grooming routine and keep your home fur-free, look no further. This is the ultimate pet groom vacuum you've been waiting for. Check out the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible product. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest products. Until next time, this is from Product Critique, signing off.